Today we're finally going to nail the alignment on this Tesla, and with the help of this, give it some laser sharp handling. Hi guys, welcome back to another Tesla video here at Carbonwurks. Today we've got Neil's car back in, so the eagle-eyed amongst you will recognise this blue Model Y. It's previously been to us for some KW Variant 3 coilover suspension, which everyone has been really happy with, as we know. What we also know about these Tesla Model Ys is from factory they don't give you any camber adjustment, and also they have some easy to wear out, shortened in life front lower arm bushings, which also contribute to a bit of vagueness in the front end of the car. So with the help of our friends over in the US Mountain Pass, we're going to fix that today. So I'll take you over here to show you the products. What we have here, as you may have already seen at the beginning, is the front lower arm control bushes. So these replace the standard bonded rubber parts with what appears to me to be a spherical bearing, which gives you that pinpoint accuracy in terms of your steering and feedback. It also is very much more of a lifetime part. It's highly unlikely to wear out this. Obviously you can see it's got these nice rubber boots on to protect it from the elements. So that's direct swap into the original arm. So quite possibly, I don't know the prices, so shoot me if I'm wrong, but a cost saving over the replacement of an entire arm, which from what I'm being told is quite a common occurrence on these cars. But also giving you that upgrade in terms of steering feel and response. And then behind them here, we've got these adjustable arms, which do go on the rear. So they're going to help us change the rear camber, which we know from the last time it visited and doing an alignment that we've got about 1/3 of a degree variance from side to side. And what the customers also fed back to us is that still getting a bit of increased wear on the inner shoulders of the tyres. So if we peel off a bit of camber, that's going to help to reduce the wear that we're seeing at the back. So that is the hope and the aim with these arms today. Mountain Pass have been going since 2017. Those of you that have already found them on the internet will know that they've got lap times and upgrades for various Tesla models. They've also done their own homebrew EV swaps into Lotus and Nissan platforms. So big guys in the game. We're looking forward to getting started with our relationship with these guys. Without further ado, I'm going to do that. We'll get these fitted, bring you back at the end to show you what we've achieved. And that's us all finished up on Neil's Tesla. As you can see, it's back on the ground. He's actually put his halo discs back on as well, which look pretty cool. So to recap, Mountain Pass, front lower arm bushes, inner bushes have been replaced with a spherical joint, and the rear camber arms have been replaced as well. Feedback post test drive is that the front end's a hell of a lot more precise now. It's got very direct and sort of solid positive feedback, which is exactly what the customer was after. Also, like I said, significantly longer lifetime in terms of the joint itself is what we're expecting as well. Moving to the back end, so we've got a full range of camber adjustment now, which has allowed us to peel off in and around 1/2 degree of camber, so standing the wheels a bit more upright, which is hopefully going to counteract the excess wear on the inner edge that is typically seen at the back. So all fitted, not a singular issue, just like any factory part, coupled up with our signature alignment. Like I say, adjustment at the rear for the camber, which is as per the customer's request. The rest of it is as we would normally for these Model Ys. So yeah, done and dusted here today. Shout out to our Canadian friends. I may have got that wrong earlier in the video. A Mountain Pass for these parts. We look forward to fitting some more of their equipment for these vehicles and other Tesla models in the future. Until then, stay tuned to our channel for other content. Like, share, subscribe, greatly appreciated. See you next time.